Here we're going to be doing an unboxing of the USS George H.W. Bush CVN-77 aircraft carrier by Italeri. I know I just botched that up. But without further ado, let's check out what's inside this kit, shall we? See, we got our decal sheet here. Spin this around so you all can see here. All the deck markings. Aircraft elevator. 77. Very good decals. Looks like it's even got the symbols for the aircraft. Yep, FA-18s, SH-60s, E-2C. Oh, it's even got the spiral for the radar dome for the E-2C Hawkeye. Alright, this ought to be a really fun build. Cool. I think that it comes with a drone too, and I think that's the markings for the drone, the XB-47. There's the island numbers. The rest of the aircraft deck markings looks pretty nice. Alright, let's see. What else we got here? Alright, now we got our, this is a 1/720th scale, so it's a little bit smaller. I've been building 1/700 scale, so this is just a little bit smaller, so this will be a pretty nice little build here. Let's take a look here. Got all our sprue layouts. All different pieces and parts here. There's our aircraft. Yep, FA-18s. There's the drone. Spin this around here. There's our SH-60s. There's a crane. Alright, looking good. Let's see what else we got here. There we got the deck. All the pieces related to that. Very nice. Well, I got this laid out. Cool beans. Alright. Alright, let's get to some pieces here. Alright, looks like we got the hull. 2 pieces. Be nice. When we put the Hangar Bay pieces on the inside there. Very nice. Got some cleanup we're gonna have to do right here from the molding. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. Fan tail looks good. I like it's in one piece, but like I said, we got some cleanup work to do here. Cut some of the stuff off. I don't like the fact that the anchors are attached. I like putting those on, painting them nice brass color. Looks pretty sharp when they're done. Those are 2 little 3. All right, for the aircraft elevators. Cool. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like our aircraft sprue here. It's our drone, and then our F-18s. Even with the wings folded up, we can have 2 probably on a ready alert on the catapults. They'll look pretty sharp. There's SH-60s. Looks like you can do 1. The blades folded out, and then the rest of them are folded in. There's a couple cranes, a couple tugs, another F-18. Lots of F-18s for this one. You got a few more SH-60s there. Alright. See the bottoms are alright. We got some wheels that we can paint. Pretty detailed for being as small as it is here. To kind of give you a reference point. There's my finger. That's how big the helicopter is there. So, alright, let's move on. Let's see, we got, I want to say, various pieces. We got some masts right there. Some other various pieces, parts. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see this too well. I'll try not to But right here, looks like these look like the rolling airframe missile launchers, RAM missiles. I wonder if they got CWIS as well. I'm sure we'll come across them. Little radar domes and various other things here. There's our mast again. Spin around, take a look. This must be pieces to the island, I'm guessing. Just have to build it all. Yep, alright, let's move on. Looks like the deck is up next here. Very nice lines in here for our catapults. I'm gonna sit. We got the resting wires back here. Probably attach real wires here. Maybe have one coming and landing here. The rest, a couple set up here, and then a couple set up here. Not sure what we're gonna do yet, but we'll get creative. Aircraft elevator here, and here we can probably cut these out if we don't want them up the way that we want them. We got the 4 screws back here, and the rudders. Got some other various pieces and parts here. These look like these are the shafts, I'm guessing. Yeah. Come along down here. More masts, radars, some other pieces. Oops, sorry guys, got that right out of the way there. That looks like almost like a guitar pick. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's move on here. Our last sprue. Ooh, we got some good stuff on here. Here's for the hangar bay here. Aft end of it. And there's the forward end of it. Got some small pieces, parts here. Oh yes, look, right here. We got 4 CWIS cannons. CWIS is close-in weapon system for those non-Navy types out there. I had the privilege of getting to fire one of those bad boys, and they can really shoot fast. Alright, what else we got here? I'm assuming more of the superstructure / island pieces. Not sure what these are yet. I'm sure we'll find out. These look like those are the aircraft elevators. More pieces, parts. Coming into some more aircraft. Got more F-18s, some A-6s, some F-14s even. That's really sharp. I'm guessing that's a... Is that a Sea King? I don't know. Somebody knows, leave me a comment. I think that's what that is. It doesn't look like it's a 53. I'm guessing it's a Sea King. Yeah, I got to fly on one of those off the ship I was on when I got out of the Navy. Pretty fun. And here we go. There's the radar for the E-2C Hawkeye sitting right there. And if I can get over here enough, you guys can see down here, these look like the rotors right here. The propellers, pardon me, propellers for the E-2C. I'm taking a wild guess at that, but we got all the lifeboats here. These are designed if the ship goes down, that when they hit water, they pop open with life rafts in them. And each one of these little sections here, I got my finger, you can see a little bit of a line, but each one of those, top and bottom, are both a life raft. They got plenty of space to get on in case the ship goes down. But we're good. We usually don't let the ships go down, so we don't have to use those. It's more of a creature comfort than anything. Alright, well that does it for the sprues of this build, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up here. But thanks for joining me. Walk through the USS George Bush here. And as the late great George Bush would say, thank you. And if you'd like to keep with this juncture, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because you know me and Barbara up there in Kennebunkport want this to go through well. Thank you, and you guys have a good day.